Hello everyone, and welcome back to your local retro child. My name is Jacob, and today, if you remember this from your childhood, you can leave a comment down below. But we have almost the entirety of the Dogman book collection. I say almost because we are missing book 11. Book 12, we have on our shelf. So without further ado, let's hop into it. Book number 1. The original Dogman. What else is there to say about it? It's a timeless classic. It almost makes you feel like this is about to be milked for a franchise. Oh. Well, I guess it already has. Anywho, when taking a look at it, you really feel immersed into the world. First off, we start off with the characters from Captain Underpants, and tell them how they first met, and how ever since then, their lives have pretty much never been the same. And I mean that in a good way, not the terrible way. And so they make hundreds and hundreds of comics, and, well, they finally found their next audience with Dogman. You know, I'm not gonna lie, this is actually a good book. For now, at least. It was the #1 New York Times bestseller, and overall, it was such a great graphic novel to read. Until the next one came, that is. Dogman Unleashed. Boy, oh boy, did this dog kick butt or what? Yeah. Quite a lot of things going on. Maybe questioning what was inside the book. Good question. Let's get to that. I'm not gonna lie, this kind of feels like the original, but it is expanded by a long shot. And I do mean by a long shot. Take a look at the villain. I guess he's back for way more revenge. This time with one of his pals, I could say. Sorry, I'm stuttering a lot. I don't got a script, okay? Jokes aside, this is actually a good way for kids to read. By taking a look at comics, while at the same time reading 3rd or 4th grade language, it's understandable as to why this book series was so successful. Let's take 4 seconds to remember the legacy of this book. Okay, all done. What's better than 2? 3! Not gonna lie, pretty much this is what you call a limited edition, especially when taking a look at all of the glossiness up here. This basically just goes to show you how Dogman was just the peak of fiction books, I guess. And when we take a look at the inside, we're introduced to new characters, a few new settings, and then finally, yet another character. Huh. Nah, there's no similarity towards new YouTubers, loyal time fans of my channel. Welcome. To the new installment. Oh boy, many more installments to go after this. At this point in time, I'd say this is and the book series peaked as a whole because of the fact that they copied off the style and humor of and look, it's the knockoff of Joker. It's the milk thief. At the end of the day, though, I'd say this is the perfect iteration of Dogman ever. We've seen the previous view where he's just in this regular form, but this is the best version we could ever get from him. What an astonishing sequel to 3 books. Wow. Lord of the Fleas is the last one we'll be talking about today. And I don't know what to say about this book. On one hand, yay, new Dogman book. But on the other hand, it feels strange, in my opinion. Pretty much, it basically shows Petey's childhood and how it was a little bit betrayed because of 2 of the most loyal friends he had ever had. And yeah, I don't know what else to say about it. Overall, it's fine for what it is. I just wish that Dave Pilkey had a little bit more effort into this. Then it would have been good, in my opinion. And there you have it, folks. Half of the Dogman book series. And like the results? Yeah? No? Okay. Obviously, of course, this is not going to be the end of this. This is going to be a part 2, ending this duology of understanding and my retrospective of the Dogman franchise. But I mean, so far, it's mixed. It has its highest of highs and its lowest of lows. But yeah, this is the highest of highs I've ever seen for a book series. Sure, Lord of the Fleas is the one that's a little bit slacking, in my opinion, but I mean, hey, that's my own personal opinion. You can't blame me. Comment down below, what was your favorite Dogman book from all these 5? Thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe. Comment down below, like I've said before. What was your favorite Dogman book? Whether you're a person to stick around with the series for long, or if you're a person who's a newcomer to this franchise. There's obviously, of course, a DreamWorks movie, a DreamWorks and Universal movie, to be more specific. It's coming out possibly next year, so we'll have to wait and see what are the details on that. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. I'll be seeing you guys next time. Laters.